Changing the email link to your Spotify account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Edit email address. In the account settings, look for the section labeled Email or Account Overview. Click the Edit button next to your email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, scroll down and click the Save Profile or Save Changes button to update your account with the new email address. Once you have completed these steps, you will receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and verify the change if prompted.